That's right, Dan. And some of the questions in this trial that have been brought up are, is DNA evidence enough to prove 19-year-old Kendrick Morris was the masked man who raped a daycare worker 3 years ago? Or perhaps is that DNA evidence contaminated and it's not enough to prove that he is guilty? Those are just some of the things that a jury could soon have to look at. Holding up a poster of 13 sets of numbers, Assistant State Attorney Mike Sinecor explained in his closing statement those numbers represent a DNA match to the rapist.
This is the rapist, Kendrick Morris, the defendant in this case.
The state went on to replay a portion of surveillance video from the Claremelle daycare recorded back on June 28, 2007. A masked man wearing gloves and holding a knife forced himself into the building. Later, Assistant Public Defender Maria Pavlidis addressed her closing statement.
You promised that you could follow the laws, and you promised that you would do so without making any decision based on any sympathy you have for someone or any anger you have towards anyone.
Morris is also accused of raping and beating up a teenage girl at the Bloomingdale Library a couple of years ago. That trial is set to begin later this month. Meanwhile, at my latest check, Maria Pavlidis did rest with her closing statements, and also the judge is now addressing the jury, giving them the details of what they have to do before they go into deliberations and ultimately make a decision. Reporting live at the Hillsborough County Courthouse, Elizabeth Din, ABC Action News.